This week's video is going to be kind of a hodgepodge, so to speak, of different video clips that I filmed over the last couple weeks. Actually, there's a clip that you're going to see next that might be considered disturbing for some. Just giving you a fair warning. We had a fire here in the neighborhood about a month ago or so, and I got some video footage of it, and it's going to come up next. So just giving a fair warning, it could be considered disturbing for some people. So, but anyways, and then on to lighter things, just running around, chasing clouds, trying to get sunset pictures, multiple different nights. So hope you guys enjoy. Watch it all the way to the end because there's a boatload of pictures that I'm going to post that are posted at the end of this video. So hope you enjoy it. Good morning. It's Sunday morning and we are picture hunting. I am at the Jug, which if you follow me on Instagram or you friends me on Facebook, you've seen I've posted pictures before from the Jug. But I'm taking a photography course and there's a couple tricks that I want to see. It is a muddy mess and I'm going to church. Yes, it's before church. We get out here early. So, but if you can hear that would be the waterfalls. And actually we've been at the Jug when Ed and I, last year we came out here. So you've seen it, but I am itching to try this, to see what I could capture here. That's the Jug. Probably, to me, one of the best places you can get photographs of, get pictures of. So, let me get to work and see. Gentleman up there fishing. Hopefully the pictures come out good that I got with him in it. Just look at that sunset. I just was downstairs and I seen it, so I came running up here to the upstairs porch and I'm going to try to been getting some pictures. That is promising to be a glorious looking sky here, hopefully in the next 5 minutes from what I'm judging, if not sooner. But that is already glorious looking. Here's my concern. If you can see that, the clouds are kind of moving this way, and there's really not much clouds coming in behind it. Right now, that is just pretty amazing looking, but we'll see. I'm really hoping we see some pinks and reds But even that right there is just absolutely amazing looking. If you look up there, that's actually pretty nice too. I got a few shots of that. Wish I was up on Key Dash right now. I'm just sitting here watching the skies. Of course, that's been the theme. It looks like it could be a stellar sunset. You know, it's already set, but the clouds are kind of swirling there a little bit. I've been out for probably 45 minutes to an hour, and I've probably gotten 40, 50 pictures. Now, some of them, obviously, like I said before, I'll delete a lot of those, but yeah, I'm just kind of watching it and seeing, giving it a few minutes. It was already pink down the river a little bit. I got a few shots of that, and then I'm just watching this one spot. They're kind of swirly. I think I'm going to take the picture now before those clouds possibly disappear, and hope for the best. I'm learning a lot of photography sometimes is waiting. I'm waiting. That back behind me, it's showing promising signs over here. But I'm also looking and I see a wall of clouds coming in behind it. So I don't know. And also, this is also like, what's today? Monday. So that was 4 or 5 days ago, the early clips. So yeah, we're just kind of spreading this out and filming as I go. So I just watched that clip I just filmed. And I'm like, whoop, well, that didn't work. It was all blown out behind me. That's what I'm looking at. Right there. Like I said, it's showing some promising signs, but I just have a feeling it's not gonna happen. So I'll just show you on video what it's actually looking like right now. Plus, it's getting pretty chilly and I'm in a t-shirt. I didn't realize it was 51 degrees. So, all right, before I lose it, I looked to my right and I seen that and was like, huh, that actually looks like for a good composition. With that pink up there, and you can't see it, but the bridge and with these trees. So let me see what I can get and find out. Yeah, so, excuse me, that didn't happen. It's just not gonna happen tonight. I've been watching. Now, granted, I've got some pretty epic pictures tonight. And of course, I didn't bring my tripod or anything, so I'm freehanding this. Hopefully it's not shaky, but it's all right. Well, I didn't get that. I still got a lot of, I think, quite a few other pretty great shots. So, some of them will be in this video, obviously, but a lot will be on Instagram and Facebook. So if you're not friends with me on Facebook or you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to go do that.